Alright, so this is the part one of the Camaro series of the restoration and just the overall project. So we came in here today, we got under there, and we connected a strap. The video can't even see the strap, but we connected the strap to the frame over by the oil pan and connected it to the bottom hitch on the Ford. Cleaned off the windows over here just so we can see. Clean this one, took the T-tops off, letting air out, and yep, so that's where we're at so far. Cleaned out the front so we can bring it out. The paint, even though it looks really bad, you know, like over here and stuff, the paint looks really good over here. This is what the paint looked like. If we were to just bring some more water on it, it would bring it out more. Now it's dried, it kind of dried out. Looks different, but yeah, it looked really good when you first poured the water on it, and it popped a lot. So that's the dust, that's the paint after the water, and just a towel paper. So I also cleaned off the T-tops. I gotta clean that one off a little bit better. It's still pretty dirty. And then I'm making a channel banner, or just a little thing to shout myself out. We'll put it on the sides and on the back, because I'm guessing the front's gonna be going on first. So we got that, and then yeah, hopefully it'll attract some people. All right, so we're taking the Camaro out, or the T-tops off, and we're gonna spin around towards the front, and we're gonna load onto the trailer. Oh, and it just sunk really bad. I don't know if you guys heard that on the camera, but that it sunk into the ground. There's the other camera over there. Oh, there it is, finally. It's out into the sunshine after a long time. So me and my friends wanted to wash the car, so we ended up waxing the car, washing it, cleaning the windows, the T-tops, cleaning the hood louvers, and it's going to be a before and after of the car going from dirty to clean, and also talk about the paint later on in the video. The paint turned out to be really good looking, super clean. Although it did rub off. It just really happens with the age of the car. But I can't even be happier with the result that came out of the car with how old it is. And it had a great job done with the waxing, and it looked incredible. So, yeah.